Today, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT using three ways. The first will be POE. It's a website that allows you to use ChatGPT. So after you go to Google, then you will click the one which says POE.com. Then it says that you should insert your email address. So they sent me a code through my email. So I'm gonna check my email and find the code. So I have received the code. I'm gonna copy the code and paste it here. And then I will verify my email. So after you just say next, and finally when you say done, you'll get this. So you can use ChatGPT by selecting it. So let's say something. Let's ask some question. So I said how to make a coffee, and it shows me how I can make a coffee with steps. So this is one way to use ChatGPT. Another way to use ChatGPT is called Ora. You just type in Google Ora.ch or in any other browser. So first you will say get started, and you should have an account. So I'll just click sign in first, and then I will find a blue link which says sign up. So I will click it, and then it will ask me if I want to continue with Google or uh, if I have already an account. So I'll say continue with Google to sign up. Then I will click my email. So now I'm gonna put the email that I have signed up. Then it says check your email. As you see, they send me a link. So I'm gonna copy this link and paste it here. Now I have Aura account. So first I'm gonna give my chatbot, which is based on ChatGPT, a name. So I will name it with my name. And I will just say something silly. Just put something that you want. It's not really mandatory. It will not affect the boot. So I have created my own boot, which is based on ChatGPT. Now I can chat with this boot. So I got the answer for my question. This is another way to use ChatGPT. And the final one is using Bing, which is Microsoft's search engine. If you are using Windows, then there will be a Microsoft Edge, and the default search browser for Microsoft Edge is Bing. So I have just searched in the search bar. Then if I try to go to chat, it will send me to another page where I can chat with the new Bing AI. If I am going to write a second question, it will try to remember what my first prompt is and answer according to my first prompt. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like it, and also be sure to subscribe so that when I publish new videos, you get them.